How to copy paste in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can copy paste your content image from in Google Docs. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So this is my Google documents. I have only one page. So if you want to copy this text, so you need to select that text first. Okay, you need to just click at front of this text, click and hold, and just drag like that, it will be select. Okay, now just right click and copy, or you can use the shortcut key, which is control plus C. Okay, you don't need to enter the plus, you need to just hit the control and C button, then it will be copy. Okay, so just copy it. Now just keep the cursor where you want to paste this. Okay, now just right click and you can paste, or you can use the shortcut keys, which is control and V. Okay, you need to press control and V, then it will be paste. So now the another, if you want, if you don't want this text here, if you want to delete from here and paste from paste to another locations, so you need to cut it. Just select the text like this first, right click on it or cut it. Okay, so you can also use the shortcut keys, which is control and X. On keyboard you need to just press control plus X, it will be cut. When you cut it, it will be delete, like it will be hide, I mean cut. Okay, now just come to the place where you want to paste it, and just right click on it and paste it, or use control and V. Okay, you can see. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Same process for image. If you want to cut and delete copy and paste the image, you just okay. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.